Hey guys, happy lesson 2. As you can see, every second. Not in our classroom, you would be correct. I'm in the building because I'm having major internet issues in our classroom. So I'm hoping not to bother anyone recording the math video here in the hallway. We're going to get into lesson 2. It's very different from what we worked on in lesson 1. We are going to be starting to divide. And we're going to be doing it very pictorially. We're going to be really thinking about what it means to divide. I'm pretty sure today we're just dividing whole numbers. The resulting quotients today are going to be fractions. So nobody freak out. You can handle it. Let's take a look. Okay, mathematicians, here we are launching into M4, meaning module 4, L2. And we're going to be doing some division pictorially, like I said, and then we're also going to be kind of diving into a deeper meaning as to what it means to divide whole numbers. So 3 divided by 4. Let's think about having 3 sub-sandwiches that are like on that delicious rectangular bread. And we are going to divide those delicious sub-sandwiches across 4 hungry friends. They're smiling even though they're very hungry. So we have 3 sub-sandwiches being shared across 4 friends. This friend's name is Violet. This friend's name is Muthu. This friend's name is, I'm trying to think of who I have not used. This is our friend Crew. And then this friend is Ed. So we have 3 sub-sandwiches shared across 4 people. Oh dear, we need to make sure that we're sharing the sub-sandwiches equally. So let's go ahead and slice each of these giant sub-sandwiches into 4 equal parts, just so we can make sure that we're being really fair with all of our friends. So we have our 3 sub-sandwiches sliced into 4 equal parts, and now let's start giving away the sandwiches. So Violet, you get that slice. Muthu, that one's for you. Crew, tasty, tasty, and Ed. Okay, so we've given away that sandwich. Now let's work on giving away the second sandwich. We have one for Violet, we have one for Muthu, we have a slice of the second sandwich for Crew, and then Ed, that one's for you. Okay, so now we've given away our second sandwich. What we need to do next is give away our third sandwich. Equally to Violet, we have, a slice to Muthu, and then this slice is for Crew, and then Ed, that one's for you. So let's look at 3 divided by 4. How many sandwich slices, how many slices of those submarine sandwiches did Violet get? Well, she got 1/4 from the first sandwich. She got 1/4. This is Violet's. These are Violet's slices of these sandwiches. So she got 1/4 from the first sandwich, 1/4 from the second sandwich, and then she got 1/4 from the third sandwich. So what did Violet receive total? Well, she'd have received 3/4 of the sandwiches. Every single kiddo received 3/4. 1/4 from the first one, 1/4 from the second one, and 1/4 from the third one. So 3 divided by 4, my friends, is 3/4. Kind of cool, huh? Let's look at another one. Okay, buds, now we're going to look at, here, 6 divided by 4. This time around, we're going to have 6 maple bars from Top Pot. So I chose brown so that these look like maple bars, sort of rectangular in shape. So I'm going to draw 6 maple bars, that's 4, and I want my maple bars to look just about the same size. Let's move this down, and then we'll have our 6th maple bar. This time around, okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6 maple bars. This time around, we're spreading 6 evenly across 4. So I have 4 hungry friends, hungry but still happy friends. Oh, this person's eye is larger than the other. And so we have 4 happy friends. Now we need to spread these 6 maple bars evenly across 4 happy friends. So here's the good news. Oh, actually, let me reveal these people's identities. This person is Olivia R. This person is Olivia K. This happy person is Dylan. We miss you in Chicago. Hopefully you're watching this. This happy person is Tyler. Oops, sorry. So we are going to share these 6 evenly across Olivia R, Olivia K, Dylan, and Tyler. The good news, Olivia R, you get a whole maple bar. Woohoo! Good news, Olivia K, you get a whole maple bar. Yes! Dylan, same, you get a whole maple bar. Tyler, you get a whole maple bar. Now we still have 2 maple bars left over, and we need to share them evenly across our 4 friends. How do we do that? Well, let's slice these maple bars into 4 even slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's share these maple bars with our 4 friends. So Olivia R, you get a slice of that, of this maple bar. And then Olivia K, this one's for you. Dylan, I got you. And then Tyler, this one's for you. Now let's share the final maple bar. We're going to share it evenly amongst our 4 friends because we sliced it into 4 even slices. So everyone is happy, everyone is getting their fair share, and they are so delightfully grateful for these delicious treats. Okay, so we've shared everything. We've given away all of the maple bars. Now we have to think, how much did each of our hungry friends end up with? Well, Olivia R has 1 whole and 1, I'm going to put OR, 1/4 here and 1/4 here. So Olivia R ended up with 1 whole and 1 2/4. Oops. 1 2/4. Let's think about this. If we were to cut her whole maple bar into 4 even slices, she has 4/4. You guys know 1 is equal to 4/4. She has 4/4, 5 6/4. So Olivia R, Olivia K, everyone had the same amount. Do you remember how we handed out those slices evenly to everyone? Everyone ends up with 6/4 of the maple bar. So, and you guys know, 6/4 is equal to 1 2/4. Isn't that very interesting? 6 divided by 4 ends up being 6/4. Let's check that out in a few more problems here, guys. Okay, here's the deal, folks. Some of you might know this from previous learning, or some of you might have just noticed this from the problems that we just did. Please know that every division problem can be rewritten as a fraction. 2 divided by 7 is equal to 2/7. Hot dog, that is cool. 39 divided by 5 is equal to 39/5. 13 divided by 3 is equal to, you guessed it, 13/3. Isn't that so interesting, you guys? 9/5 is equal to 9 divided by 5. It also works in reverse. So let's look at this here. 19/28 is equal to 19 divided by 28. Wow, so fun. Ooh, this one's interesting. That sound you just heard was not, that was my elbow squeaking on the table. That wasn't any sort of bodily functions, although those are fine, but I'm not going to be recording them on the math video. 1 3/5. We must, in order to rewrite this as a division statement, we must rewrite this mixed number as an improper fraction. So think about the fact that 1 is equal to 5/5. We have to rename, hi guys.
Hi.
Just doing some 5th grade math. Looks pretty cool, huh?
First grade or 5th grade?
Big kid math.
Oh, my big brother is in 5th grade.
Oh, one day. I'm recording this in the hallway, so I have some friends that are curious in what I'm doing. In order to rewrite this as a division expression, you guys, we have to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. And we can absolutely do that by just taking our 1 and renaming it as 5/5 and then breaking off our 3/5. So what we're looking at here is 5/5 plus 3/5, which is equal to 8/5. Do you see how we just renamed 1 3/5 as 8/5? They're the same amount, but they're just written in 2 different ways. We wanted to rewrite this as an improper fraction so that we can now rewrite it as a division expression. 8/5, guys, is equal to 8 divided by 5. So big takeaway here. I need you to know and think about and be prepared to practice this tomorrow. All division expressions can be rewritten as fractions. Whoa. All fractions can be rewritten as division expressions. That fraction bar can be replaced with a division sign. It's pretty cool when you think about it. Cannot wait to practice this with you guys tomorrow. Secret word, I did 2 examples. I want you to come in tomorrow with the items that were split amongst our friends. There are 2 food items that were split amongst our friends in this video. You might have to rewind and take a look. They were both food items. So I need you to come in tomorrow with both of the food items that were split amongst our hungry friends in order to check out those division expressions. Cool. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye for now.